The VEVOR Pressure Washer Pump revitalizes your cleaning equipment with its impressive pressure range of 2,500 to 3,400 pounds per square inch and a flow rate of 2.5 gallons per minute. This pump is widely compatible, fitting most rear outlet pressure washers between 196 to 230 cubic centimeters, making it a versatile choice for brands like Honda, RYOBI, and Craftsman. Designed with durability in mind, the pump features enhanced plunger hardness and a one-piece pump head to ensure superior sealing and prevent water and oil leakage. A maintenance-free crankcase design eliminates the need for gasoline changes, offering convenience and ease of use for everyday cleaning tasks. The pump's Easy Start feature ensures a hassle-free setup without needing to release pressure beforehand, allowing you to begin cleaning quickly and efficiently. Included with the pump are various installation accessories, making it a straightforward process to install and get your pressure washer back to peak performance.